I want to stress the greasing of the material pump again. It's one of the most common questions that I get. People call and they're like, we were spraying this morning, everything was great. Now all of a sudden the pump doesn't want to spray, there's an issue. I tell them, did you grease the pump? No, it's not that, we're just not getting any pressure. I said, grease the pump. Because what's happening is they didn't grease it, they got busy, and now those grease cavities are empty. We're sucking in a viscous material and sucking air in over the seals, and it's easier to suck air in than it is to pull the material in. It's going to cause the cavitation of the pump, which is not good for the system at all, but also you can't get the material flowing that you need. Greasing the pump will solve a lot of those issues. When you see that, so application has been spraying, it's been good, all of a sudden it drops off, just doesn't take anything, just grease the pump and see if that doesn't solve your issue. Because its purpose is trying to prevent that cavitation that keeps us from getting the flow that we need.